Greetings, everyone. Tonight we're making an omelet online. What? We're making an omelet. The online version I saw was quick. Mine's going to be a little bit longer. With some added ingredients, I think. Whatever. Anyways, oh, in a microwave. I'm doing this in a microwave. Yeah. So, okay, let's get to this. Okay, first thing, they call for 1 egg in a bowl. But being moi, I'm doing 2. Ooh, mess. Then they're asking for a scoop of mayonnaise. On top of the egg. Who's this? Duke's. This is good mayonnaise. Oh shit. Okay. 1 scoop. I'm doing a little bit more. Yeah. Now they're saying instead of stirring it, you want to whisk it. I'm not sure what difference that makes. So we'll do this. Shit. Daisy! Here you go. On the floor. Here you go. Yeah. Thank God for dogs. Then they said to add some butter. Didn't say how much though. So your guess is as good as mine. Alright. I melted some butter. It's less than half a stick. Don't know if that's what they're calling for or not. Shit. Okay. I want to put some butter in there, or chocolate in there. I could bake a cake. Now, I'm going to add some ham. This is not in their particular recipe, but it is in mine. So, little protein in your omelet. Oh, shit. Oh, that should be good. Now they did theirs in the microwave for about 40 seconds. I'm going to have to go a little longer than that. For some reason that's not stirring the way I'd like it. I'm going to get a fork. Now they, like I said, they nuked theirs for 40 seconds or so. I'm going to go with 90 seconds. Just a guess. Just to see what this does. Okay. Here we go. Okay, it's taken me 3.5 minutes to cook this, where the video I saw was only like 40 or 50 seconds. Wow, that's hot. Okay. Yeah, this was 3.5 minutes. Looks good though. Oh my, look at that. Is this the camera? Ooh. Look at this. Can't have that. Oh, let's try this. Let's do a dump. Tell you what, that's hot. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Still hot, still hot, still hot. Okay. Everything cooks well. I have rat cheer. Okay. Look at that. Daisy. Here you go. Dogs are great. Look. That was 3.5 minutes, whoops, in the microwave. And it's egg, mayonnaise, butter, and ham. I'm going to throw some salt and pepper on this. Should be delicious. Damn. Yeah, if your stove quits working and you have a microwave, this is the way to go. All right, folks. I gotta taste it. I gotta taste it. Mm. Yeah. And for those of you who've seen my previous video where I pulled my tooth out, I'm eating on this side of my mouth. Delicious. Try this. Easy, quick and easy. Thank you. All right. Anyways, TTFN, ta-ta for now. Take care. Talk to you later. Boogity, boogity, shoot.